Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a simple to-do list in Google Sheets. Alright, the first thing you should do is you have to prepare your own to-do list like this. And here I have created my to-do list. And what we're going to do next is select the B column like this. Then we have to put a check box to this column. We can click on this three dots button. Then choose data validation right here. And on the criteria, you have to choose checkbox. It's right here. Just tap on it and you have to save the rule by clicking on this save button. Alright, and after that, we can select this A column. Then we have to put conditional formatting. We can click on this button. Then you have to go down until you find conditional formatting. It's right here. And we have to put a rule. We have to choose this one. We have to go down until we find custom formula. It's right here. Just tap on it. And then we have to enter this formula. I input a B3 cell because the checkbox is in B3 cell. Alright, and after that we can choose the formatting style. We can custom it by clicking on the custom, and we have to choose this one. Alright, after that we can click on save button right here. And don't forget to click on this check mark. Click on this check mark. Alright, and let's practice it together, guys. Alright. Okay, guys, that's how we can create simple to-do list in Google Sheets. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.